everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Would you like to give 5 fashion tips to our audience?
Yes, sure. So, see, I'm somebody who prefers comfort over everything else, because until you're not comfortable, no matter how nice a dress you wear or whatever makeup you put on, it won't look that good because you'll not be comfortable in it. And the most important is to be comfortable so that you can carry it off. And I think in summer, most essential for me is cotton and linen. Like, I prefer cotton and linen because they allow so much air to pass in and they soak up all your sweat, and it's still, it's very breezy and it's a very light cloth and material. Also, dark colors is like a strict no-no in summers. I only wear like whites or maybe like baby blues and pinks and very, very mild pastel colors. And again, another thing for summer will have to be, maybe this might not be related to clothes, but for my hair, usually I keep them tight, because whenever it gets sweaty and the hair gets stuck on my face or my neck, I really don't like it. So my hair is usually just in a bun or maybe like a ponytail. Sometimes if I'm going out, I'll curl my hair and make like a nice messy, full of volume ponytail, or maybe like a, I don't know if you all know how to make it, but give those bow buns. Like you make a bow out of the bun that you make. So I do that. I think it looks very cute. Maybe like a cute hairband or something.
What are the 5 things you take care in summer about your skin, about your makeup? Do you like to apply makeup in summer?
I usually avoid, because usually whenever you have like a heavy base or something and you're going out, so if I'm going out in the evening or night, it's fine. But if I'm going out in the day and I have a heavy base, it usually reacts with the skin and then it closes your pores and all the sweat, and your skin just then, it goes really bad. So I avoid. I have like very light makeup for summers usually, and I drink plenty of water. My water intake is like almost double in the summers because that's very essential. Another one of my secrets is I use a lot of aloe vera gel. It gives a cooling effect to your face. So just apply a little bit, massage it on your face and leave it on and just sleep. It keeps the cooling effect stays throughout the night. It avoids for you having a lot of breakouts because of the heat. And apart from that, even like if I'm going out in summer, even in the evening, I prefer having very light shades of makeup on my face, even if it means my eyes or my lips. I prefer having maybe light, very, like pastel pink, or maybe like a very light blue. Even if I'm adding shimmer or something, it's very, very minimal.
What's your favorite outfit to wear in summer?
A nice linen, maybe like a shirt, nice linen shirt with either shorts or denims, like light blue denims, blues.
Okay, so you go to the gym. So how much gym plays a part in your life? Because gymming is very good and very healthy for your lifestyle. So do you regularly work out?
Yeah, I work out regularly. Ever since I've gotten off the show, now that I have time, I've been going to the gym every single day. And I enjoy it. I've even mentioned in my life, I'm a very, very, very hyperactive person. I can't sit in one place. So I enjoy it because the gym takes out a lot of that extra energy that I have in me. And I love, especially when you start seeing the transformation in your body, when you start seeing those positive changes, then automatically it pushes you more. And I think everyone wants to be in shape and look good, and gym is a very good solution to that. So
there are some people in the gym who just come for time pass.
I have a lot of
Does
people.
that kind of people irritate you a lot?
Especially in my building, because we have a clubhouse in our building, so you have aunties and uncles and everyone coming in. And see, for us, me and people in my generation, we like that heavy music when we're gymming, because it gives us that energy, that pump. And whenever they come in, they make us shut the music, and I don't like that, because they just probably like cycling around, say, and just walking lightly on the treadmill, something that you can even do, like, you take rounds in the building as well. You don't need to come to the gym for that. And they make me shut the music, or else there are some of these boys who, you know, they come to the gym and they lift really heavy weights and they love showing it off and being very loud about it. They just throw the dumbbells like that and then they keep doing this and all. It's not good.
Any 2 tips, gym tips you would like to share?
Gym tips. 1, do not start without a trainer. If you're going to gym for the first time, do not do it without a trainer or without proper professional guidance, because you can probably get yourself injured. 1 and 2, if you're gymming, try and control your diet as well, because you probably will work that hard and there's no point if you eat up all the calories you've burnt anyway. You will not see a difference. So if you're actually looking for a transformation and looking for your body to change, then you are supposed to control on your diet and have diet. So that's why you should probably have a good trainer who can guide you with your training as well as your diet.
How do you find a balance between your gym life and professional life?
Usually, I mean, the last show was a little difficult. It was a little demanding. Plus, it was very athletic, so I think we kept doing our workout even on set when we were doing running scenes and all. The days that I couldn't go to gym, I would probably wake up sometimes if I had time early in the morning, go for a run. Or I had dumbbells on set. Like I bought dumbbells and I kept them on set. So whenever in between shots or whenever half an hour breaks, I used to work out.
That's very convenient.
Yeah, so just work on my room. So I should do that. Now that I'm not going and I'm not working anymore, I'm going to gym every day, I even go swimming. Like I love swimming. Swimming is very good workout again. So hi, I'm Shrishti Jain and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.